All right. I'm going to read it out for the viewership out there. So at a ski resort, the different ski runs down the mountain are color-coded according to difficulty. And this is actually all true. I looked at this. I was like, what makes a green? Obvious angle. Yeah. Green is easy, blue is medium, black is hard. Assume that the ski runs below are rated only according to their slope, steeper is harder, and that there is one green, one blue, and one black run. Assign a color to each run. I don't know why they're using emerald and ruby.
Yeah, that's like the name of the run.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Diamond, emerald, and ruby are the names of the runs. That makes sense. So you're supposed to assign a green circle, a blue square, or a black diamond to each of these.
Okay, so based on how...
Even though they're not negatives, which is funny.
Yeah, I was going to say, like...
We'll call it how hard
it is to... see the other way.
Yeah, how hard is it to skin up?
Yeah.
Same idea, right? Anyway. All right. And let me just write for out there. So we have...
So out 4, or... Prize for... Okay, yeah, out 4, over 7.
And then what's ruby? It's confusing that they use colors.
I think emerald and ruby are the same.
Emerald and ruby?
Yeah.
4 7ths and 5 8ths?
Yeah. Maybe. I don't know.
Close.
We'll see.
So you could...
I guess I'll just draw this.
Yeah.
Oops.
All those options.
Fancy. Okay, so...
You could zoom in if that helps.
I think it's fine. Oh... Look at that.
Nice. On the money. I'm just going to quickly scroll because I'm curious how much you have. Yeah, it looks like you do some line equations, but that's okay because it sounded like you didn't have too much trouble with that.
Yeah, I think it's fine.
All right, cool. Sorry.
Okay, so 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then over 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, I just realized we don't have like a first... Oh, it's probably coming. We'll just assume it's from 0.
I like that word. You can just assume that as long as you assume it for everyone.
I'll just put that. All right, this will be the special one. I'll do everything else with red. Okay, so that's that one.
Okay.
Oh, just completely missed. Resize. Oh.
Nice.
Cool. And then what's another one? We'll do diamonds. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, diamonds hard. Yeah, that looks right.
Yeah, and don't be afraid to label these lines, even with just one letter might help.
Okay, so this one is emerald.
Cool.
This is diamond. And then up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, whoops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we know those two are not the same, so this one's R.
Good luck here.
It's the money one.
Hey, that wasn't that bad.
No.
You're pretty much on it.
Do it from this side. Yeah, cool.
Yeah, that's reasonable, right?
Okay,
pretty close, those two runs.
Diamond is the hardest. Ruby.
Ironically, they name it.
Yeah, exactly. And then ruby is second hardest, and emerald is the least hardest because it's green.
Yeah, and in reality,
they literally just gave that away in the name.
I mean, yeah, emerald and ruby might be both greens.
Oh, true. But in this case,
what it really comes down to, this is I've looked this up before. I'm pretty sure the ranges are like
for the actual degree.
Yeah, it's
ranking?
and it also there's
sure. I've never thought about how they rank that.
Yeah, there's other variables like trees,
like mandatory
moguls, cliffs, stuff like this. But in general, I think it's under 20 degrees, and then between 20 and
it's like
30, I think, and then like 30 plus, with all of a sudden 45 degrees being like basically where snow can't even hold on to the slope.
Okay.
So that's why this is some super fun stuff to ski, especially in the backcountry when there's powder. It's just like nice and fun.
It's just flowy, yeah.
But like this region, kind of right in the middle here, is super dangerous for avalanches because it's steep enough to slide, but not steep enough to have already
to not stick.
Exactly, to have already slidden. So this is like where avalanches accumulate, is right in between.
That's
so if you're in the backcountry and you're skiing something that feels like an easy black diamond and it's awesome, there's higher avalanche risk there than skiing something that's like a gnarly triple black diamond, which is like counterintuitive.
Wait, what do you mean by that?
Because the steeper something is, that snow is never going to build up over time. It's going to constantly fall toward the bottom.
Oh, yeah.
But as soon as you hit like a nice critical angle, now that snow can build up forever.
But then eventually slide.
And if it's something so flat, it can build up forever and ever and it'll never slide anywhere.
So you're safer just doing like a gnarly, well, in a way, you're safer doing like a gnarly
You're safer taking your Airy 1 course and assessing avalanches and making wise decisions before you end up in these places.
Yeah.
And then just
have you
like...
taken an avalanche class?
Yeah. Yeah, I've got my...
I want to take one.
Super worth it. The school I used to work at offered our school on the weekends to the company that ran the local Avi course. Okay. So every teacher at our school got to take it for free, which was awesome because it's like $1,000.
Yeah.
And I took it twice because I was just
we did like beacon training in like 5th grade.
Yeah, that's awesome. I mean, honestly, like enough to inspire kids to be like, maybe I want to do this when I'm older.
Yeah, exactly.